Hey y'all, so I'm here with a try-on haul. I just got some pieces in from ASOS. They were delivered yesterday. I'm gonna try them on with y'all for the first time, give my first impression and see how I like everything. I'm really excited about this haul because all of these pieces, they're like statement-esque pieces. When I was doing my little online shopping, in my mind, I was like, I want some pieces that I can wear every day, but that still are interesting. Kind of makes people take a second look. I was looking for eye-catching pieces, but that were still easy to wear, not too over the top, but gave me a little something different, you know, than what you see all the time. So hopefully these pieces hit the mark. And of course, everything will be linked below. But I got 7 items. Let's go ahead and see exactly what I bought. First up is this top right here, classified as a slouchy top with drawstrings, I believe. First of all, this color, this is in the color mocha. I really was drawn to this rust brown, and also the way the top is made. The sleeves, look at the bunching on the sleeves. It also has this ruching at the opening in the front, tassels coming off the sleeves on the top, and they also have the tassels coming on the bottom of the shirt. Yeah, definitely a standout piece. This top, y'all, round of applause. I love it so much. I'm so happy with it. As soon as I just put it on, I just want to sashay and sway and let the little strings move and flow with the breeze. I just feel so sophisticated in this, and I want to go outside so somebody can see my top, okay? I love the ruching in the front, on the sleeves, like this, like the detailing on it is so nice. I'm so into it. I love it so much. I'm definitely glad that I got it. Here's the back. By the way, the strings are purely decorative. They're just hanging down, so they don't adjust anything. But for the front part at least, you can like move the material to adjust how you want the ruching to be, but you can't like pull the string and it doesn't do anything. Just FYI. But yeah, wearing this just makes me feel like a jet setter. Like I can imagine just breezing through the airport on my way to my vacation, walking to my terminal, looking chic. Oh, gotta catch my plane. Okay, next I have this shoulder pad short sleeve shirt, and it came with a necktie. I really enjoyed the menswear inspired aspect of this piece, and I don't think I've ever worn a necktie before, have I? I don't believe so. So this one was a little bit of an out of the box moment for me, and I was like, let me just try it and see. It just seemed very cool, and it has, if you can see, stripes on it. They have this silhouette in like a long sleeve version, and then they have different prints and colors and stuff, if I'm not mistaken. So there are a lot of options when it comes to this shirt, and I decided to go with the pink because I don't have many pink items, and also I just wanted to, since it is such a masculine kind of look, I wanted to girl it up a little bit more and go with the pink. In the back, it has this tie, so you can cinch it in and get like a more fitted look on the sides, and I'm always down for a strong shoulder moment. So when I saw that this had shoulder pads, it was like even better. To balance out the volume of this top, I paired it with some wide leg jeans. This is such a difference for me. It's such a big change, and I'm kind of like thrown off, but in the best way, because it's kind of like, you know, when you try on different stuff or you're like playing dress up, you get to embody a different persona. You get to, it kind of just makes you feel like a different person. So that's what is happening right now, but I like the change. Here's the back. But yeah, with these strong shoulders, y'all, I'm feeling like a really cool, really cute linebacker. It's just making me feel very strong, like I'm a great defender, you know. It's very fun, it's very different, and sometimes it's good to step out the box and change things up, switch it up a little bit, spice it up. So I'm liking the change, and this pastel pink, not mad at it. I also think this look will be nice if I layered on an oversized blazer or jacket, just to really lean into the big volume, that oversized slouchy look. So yeah, this is this piece. Y'all let me know what you think. The next thing is the item I was, I think, the most looking forward to in this order, and that is these pants right here. Look. Very wide leg. So they kind of, on the model on the site, they like like balloon out. They are humongous, but I just loved the contrast of the black and the white, this color blocking. Yeah, it's categorized as black and white, but in person, this is more like a creamy white, off-white to me. I got this in a US 6, which is like a medium, I guess. I probably should have sized it down because it looks very big. It looks a little too big. I don't know. We'll see in a minute. But the material feels really nice. It's not flimsy at all, has a bit of weight to it. And I just thought that this would be a really cool, eye-catching statement pair of bottoms. Something really easy, breezy to throw on, but that is just gonna be like a wow factor. It just screams vacation to me. It screams like easy living. Hold up. How sick are these pants, y'all? Oh my goodness. Y'all, I done fell in love. They are so billowy and just flowy, and I paired it with this off-the-shoulder flowy flouncy top I got years back. The sun just keeps going in and out, y'all. Sorry about the lighting. Oh, it has pockets. It has pockets, y'all. It has pockets. Has a zip close right here with a button. These are definitely too big for me. There's so much room in the waist part, so I'll have to see if they still have my size, like a size down, or maybe I can get them altered. But yeah, I love the volume on these, and it's almost so flowy that it looks like a skirt, but it's actually pants. These pants, y'all, it's giving me Savannah, Georgia. It's giving me down south, in the country, on the countryside, just, you know, being one of those ladies with the big ornate hats. This is the type of feel that these pants are giving me, and I'm loving it. Oh my goodness, wow. Okay, and then I have this linen look top. It has a cowl neck, and I really did like, when I saw it on the site, this twist tie detail in the front. It really doesn't look like much on camera, I don't think. And actually, if I'm gonna be honest, on the site, it looked a lot more interesting. In person, it really doesn't do much for me. It's kind of giving smock, like when you're in elementary school and you put on a little smock to paint. I don't know, y'all. So maybe we'll see. But on the site, on the model, it looked really nice. But yeah, this is the top that I got. This top, it's cool. It's cool. It's like a nice elevated basic, I feel, because it does have like this little twist tie detail, which makes it a little more interesting. And I like with this piece, it kind of helps it to cinch in at the waist right here, which I quite like. But at the same time, I'm just underwhelmed with it. Now that I have it on, it definitely did not live up to what my expectation was when I bought it. I thought it would just have a little bit more of a wow factor, but it's not anything like terribly bad about it, but it's just not, it's not giving me any type of emotion. So, you know, do what you will with that. But of course, the color is a great neutral. The material, we always love a linen look, especially in summer. Have on these balloon pants for a monochromatic look, and then this printed bag. One complaint I do have with this top is the back was pretty much impossible for me to close because of the difficulty with my nails and trying to get this little button into this little hook. So that was annoying. I was literally trying to close the back of this top for a good 7 minutes. And then I was like, forget it. But yeah, I do like this monochrome look. I just feel like this would not add much to my wardrobe because I have other cream tops that I could make a similar outfit with. So why do I need this one? You know, it's not giving me anything different. So that's that on that. You might need it in your wardrobe if you don't have a piece like this. I just don't feel like I really need it. Apparently, I'm really into a black and white color block theme because I got this. It's classified as a fitted t-shirt with waistband detail. It's basically like a white tee with an attached tube top around it. And I thought this would just be so much cooler to put on than just a plain basic white tee. You have an extra element here that just throws you for a loop a minute. You're like, wait a minute, what is that? what's going on? I was like, okay, that's different. And it wasn't that much. So I was like, yeah, let me try it and see how it actually fits me. I also don't have any good fitted white tees right now. All right, so I paired this top with these slouchy low-rise jeans. Y'all see me in these so much lately. I really love them. But yeah, I feel really cool in this look. I think it would be a great shopping outfit or maybe grabbing a quick lunch. And I'm loving the simplicity of it, but also the uniqueness at the same time. So I'm feeling really good in this. Yeah, very casual, laid back, but very cool girl. Next up, I have this halter neck top in olive. It's kind of an intricate top. It has a tie back. So it's backless right here, and then it has kind of a cowl neck in the front. On the side in the front, you can bring it over. So it seems a little complicated, but that is kind of what made me want to get it in the first place, because it just has so many different elements to it, and I was like, ooh, that's pretty cool. I loved the color, this olive green. It reminds me of fresh fruits and vegetables. And I thought it would be a great contrast against like a pair of blue jeans or something. Okay, I'm a little surprised at this because I felt like this was going to be a slam dunk, but now that I have it on, I'm very much so on the fence. And I think it's just because I don't feel like it looks that flattering on me. Yeah, maybe if I were stick thin and my waist went all the way in right here, it would flow better. The silhouette would be a lot better. But right now, as is, I feel like it just makes me look like I have no shape. It just kind of looks like not much. What do y'all think about this top? So I brought this one over because it has like a little hook right here, but I could also let it flow like this. And y'all know I love an asymmetrical anything. So to have this little piece flowing, I think I kind of might like this better, just letting it free. But even still, I'm just not, I don't know, I have to think about this one. And this cowl neck part, I don't know if I love the neck. I'm just very undecided right now. And usually when I'm undecided, it means I should probably just return it. But yeah, I just paired it with my go-to slouchy, baggy jeans. This bag is really old from Zara, so no link, unfortunately, because I know somebody's gonna ask. I love this bag so much, and I got it years and years ago. But yeah, this is this look. Y'all weigh in, let me know your thoughts. My next piece is this sheared yoke top, blue and brown stripes, and then it has some black piping detail. I got this top, but I don't know if I like this style of tops. I don't know. I was like, let me just try it and see what I think of it if I put it on. So this one is kind of a wild card. I wasn't sure. Yeah. I don't know what to say, but I like the colorway. I really like this part, this top piece that goes like this. It reminds me of those really big chunky statement necklaces that used to be super popular maybe like 10 years-ish ago. Tribal African vibes, and I really loved that look. So this gave me nostalgia for that. And hopefully this works. Hopefully when I put it on, I fall in love with it. Bottom part right here is what is giving me hesitation because I'm just not sure about the whole boxiness of it all. But we will see in a second how this looks, fingers crossed, but otherwise, you know, I could just return it. Now that I have this on, y'all, I'm actually liking it a lot. I really love how different and how like tribal and ethnic it is. It makes me want to like bust out in a little, I know, 1-2 step. I don't know, it's just making me happy having this shirt on. So, y'all, yeah, let me know what you think. I paired it with these faux leather shorts. They have a paper bag waist, and I did a half tuck in the front to kind of give it like a more flattering shape, I think. These just simple strap heels and a black bag. So I decided to play up like the black piping on the top and go with black everything else. How do y'all feel about it? I think this also looks really nice with these brown balloon pants for another option. And when I put these pants on, the tag on this shirt just came off, so it's safe to say I'm keeping this one because I can't return it. So I'm glad that I'm liking it now. All right, y'all, so that is the things that I got in this haul. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, all of the links for everything will be down below. And y'all weigh in. Let me know, what should I keep? What should I return? I already have like an idea of what I'm gonna return. But maybe there's something that I'm not seeing that y'all can see. I don't know. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see y'all on my next one. Bye.